everyone. My name is Taylor Bonds, and today I will be mapping out the workforce development system in my hometown, New Orleans, Louisiana. Throughout this presentation, I will be discussing the city's current workforce environment, key institutions, relevant policies, programs and resources provided by organizations, and how to navigate through a sound workforce development model. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the unemployment rate in New Orleans and surrounding areas has increased since July of 2021. As seen in the top right bar graph, the city's unemployment rate is 1.4% greater than the national average. Just like its colorful and diverse population, New Orleans has a range of higher education institutions. This includes historically Black colleges and universities, or HBCUs, public and private universities, community colleges, and religious affiliated schools. Delgado Community College specifically partners with Job One, a leading workforce development program in the city, to provide adult education and literacy programs. These traditional institutions not only provide higher education, but there are many workforce training programs and non-degree certificates that can be obtained. So as you see here, there are a multitude of alternative providers for workforce and technical skills training. Two that particularly caught my attention were Tech Talent South, which offers coding and skills classes, and Operation Spark, a full immersion coding school. As we've learned, we are in and moving towards a more automated, innovative, and technological labor market. Even without a traditional degree, residents have the accessibility to enroll in and equally compete in this ever-changing workforce. Now, effective state and local level policies are crucial to a successful workforce system. In July of 2014, Congress passed the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, commonly known as WIOA, which is designed to help job seekers access employment, education, training, and support services to succeed in the labor market and to match employers with the skilled workers they need to compete in the global economy. It is the first legislative reform of the public workforce system since 1998. The mayor of New Orleans has established the Workforce Development Board as the local convener, policymaker, and lead investor in high-quality workforce development programming and innovation for New Orleans. Higher NOLA was unanimously passed by the City Council in 2015. This was the creation of the city's first worker participation program. Higher NOLA is a standardized mechanism to link employment opportunities created by the city's construction contracts and economic development projects to a qualified workforce program. So for the sake of time, I will only mention one out of the several programs that are geared towards workforce development. Catholic Charities has a program called Cornerstone Builders Reentry Services. The target population are individuals and families who have been impacted by incarceration. The program provides wraparound services including case management and workforce development to address essential needs such as housing, job placement, benefits enrollment, and healthcare. There are several state and local resources provided for those who wish to gain more knowledge on job opportunities, training programs, policies, and overall general information on all labor development practices within both the city and state level. Each organization, stated above, utilizes comprehensive online tools so anyone can easily access all relevant information. Next, we'll focus on workforce equity within the state. In 2012, a study was conducted on the projected population in New Orleans by race and age. By 2030, the authors projected that the working age population will be considered a majority minority, with 52% of working age adults being people of color. Now, New Orleans will need to place particular emphasis on building the education and skills of its future workforce in a more inclusive way. So, an emphasis on coordinated action across a range of corporate, political, civic, and community leaders is needed to improve existing workforce education, and training system so all races and ethnicities have the opportunity to thrive in this workforce market. Now, finally, I present the workforce development model that can generate an improved public labor system within the city. For recruitment and screening, we would need recruiting, screening, and referrals by a variety of job seekers, ranging from entry-level work to high-skilled professionals. This would entail hosting job fairs and providing office space on-site screening and interviewing, providing access to human capital and untapped labor pools, as well as offering workforce information about wages, employment trends, and national comparisons. Now, with training and education, we would need to provide access to training and education through traditional and alternative institutions, offering industry-recognized certifications, and developing customized training programs. Now, for retention and upskilling, we would need to focus on providing training services to incumbent workers and developing on-the-job and workforce training, supporting employee retention by offering services such as transportation, childcare assistance, and mentoring programs to individuals engaged in training, as well as assisting with layoff aversion strategies. Now, I hope you've gained more insight on the workforce development system in New Orleans and how the whole state needs to collaborate and work towards cultivating a strong and more equitable labor system. Thanks for listening, and see you soon.